You a fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do a kind of anti-Valentine's Day makeup because that just seems to be the trend that's going around all over YouTube this past week. So I have a SFX video that's going to be coming right after I show you guys the makeup for this video. It's just going to be a very dark, very black and red kind of makeup look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep watching. So to start off this look, I'm starting off with the Primed and Peachy Primer by Too Faced, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. That's the first primer that I'm going to use, and then I'm also going to use this LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and I'm just going to put that all around my eyes and on my forehead. So that is the LMS Anti-Aging Cream that we got in our Boxy Luxe bag. So up close it looks like this, and this is the primer that I used, the very first one. So now that the primer is out of the way, I'm gonna go in using the ColourPop primer. This is the Fair 06, and I'm just going to put that all over my lids. Then I'm going in with a wet blender from Morphe. Now I'm going to start off this look by using the James Charles palette. So this is what the palette looks like, and I'm going to be focusing in on the reds and the black. So I am going to go in using the color Rusted all in my crease. So I'm just going to use a fluffy blender brush to do so. So this is the double-ended Luxie brush that I like to use, and I am going to go in with the color Rusted, which is a rust color, and I'm going to put that all into my crease. Now on the outer corners, I'm going to go in with a angled brush, which is the 131 mini angled brush by Luxie, and I'm going to go into black, which is Spooky in the James Charles palette, and I'm just going to put that in the outer corner and kind of swish it up a little bit. And then I'm going to go back into the color Rusted, and I'm just going to blend those two colors together. And then all over the lid, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Concealer in 06 on a flat brush, and I'm going to cut out the crease really quickly. And then I'm going to go back into the color Rusted. And I'm just going to get the edges and make it all blend together nicely. And I'm going to do something weird. I'm going to put the color No Beans, which is like a brown color, right on the inner corner. And just bring it up a little bit into that Rusted color. And kind of just flick it out into that concealer that we just laid down. And then all over the lid, I am going to go in with just a normal packer brush, and I'm going to go into the color You're Kidding, and I'm just going to put that directly on the concealer we laid down. And then I'm going to go in with the blender side with You're Kidding and just bring it into the crease a little bit. And then I'm just going to keep packing You're Kidding on until I get the pigmentation that I want. And then I'm going to go back in with all of the other colors. So I'm going to go back in with the color No Beans, and I'm just going to intensify that brown. Then I'm also going to go back into Spooky. And then back into Rusted. And then back into You're Kidding. Now I'm gonna go do the exact same thing on the other side and I will be right back. All right, so now that I have both of my eyeshadows on both sides, I'm gonna go in with the Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition palette and I'm going to focus on these shimmery reds right here. So I'm gonna go in with the bright red that's in the palette and I'm going to soak my brush in the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray and then I'm gonna go over top of the center with the red shimmer. So now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with a cotton round and some makeup remover, and I'm just going to clean up the edges and any of the areas that I feel I went a little bit too high. All right, so now that the eyes are all cleaned up, I'm gonna go in and I'm going to do some liner, my eyebrows, and some lashes really quickly. So I'm gonna go do that all off of camera and I will be right back. Okay, so now that my eyebrows and my eyelashes are on, I'm gonna go in with some foundation. So this is the BH Liquid Foundation and the IT CC Cream by IT Cosmetics. And I'm just going in with the Morphe Beauty Blender and I'm just bouncing it all over my face. And now I'm going to go in with the Morphe Concealer and I'm just going to conceal any of my spots. Alright, so now that the foundation is on, I'm going to go in with the NYX Contour and Sculpting Palette and I'm just going to contour my cheeks. Okay, so then now I'm going to go in with the Banana shade, which is right here, and I'm going to set my forehead with that. And then I'm going to go in with the second lightest shade and just go underneath my eyes. And now I'm going to go in with the RCMA Translucent Powder and I am going to bake my cheeks using my Morphe sponge. And I'm just going to leave that on my face for a couple seconds. I don't bake too much just because I have pretty dry skin, so I just leave it on for a couple seconds and you usually get a pretty good brightening effect. I'm gonna wipe it away. And now we can go in with some highlighter. So first of all, I'm gonna set my face really quickly and then I'm gonna go in with the highlighter. So this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I'm going to let that dry. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit of an oil and I'm just going to put the oil on my high points, my cupid's bow, and my nose. And now with a tapered highlighting brush from Lexi, I'm gonna go in with the Platinum Ice palette and I'm gonna go in with Ice Cold. And I'm going to put that you can see just how blinding Jeffree Star's highlighters are. They're so pretty. So now the last thing to tie this whole look together would be to put a little bit of that highlight that we just laid down on my brow bone. And then I am going to throw on some Double Decker Lashes by Butter London and just put that on the bottom lashes. Throw on some black liner for my waterline just by Scandalize. And then the last thing would be to put on a lipstick and a wig if I want to wear a wig for tonight. So I will throw on a lipstick. So this is the Baby Bat Beauty lipstick Raven. So it looks like this, and it is a black lipstick, and I don't know if it's dry. Nope, it's not. Cool. So I'm going to throw this on. And then this is the finished red and black kind of anti-Valentine's Day look if you're not into Valentine's Day and you're looking to be kind of vampy. If you don't have black lipstick in your collection or you're not feeling black lipstick, you can always pair this with a really vampy red lipstick. That would look really good too. So I'm going to quickly go grab a wig and I will be right back. So this is the finished look for my kind of anti-Valentine's Day makeup look. So there is an SFX part of this video coming up. It'll be up after this video. So this video is going to go up on Tuesday, and my Valentine's Day SFX one will go up on Thursday, which will be Valentine's Day. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys are enjoying my content and you are excited for the SFX video coming up on Thursday, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys at my next one. Bye!